on, guys? Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to change a Power Master window switch in a Ram 1500, 2500. I think also in Chrysler vans, Ram Pro Masters. Basically, if your power window switch looks like this is how you change it. Welcome back to another episode of Falappi's Garage. And today, I'm going to show you how to replace the window master switch here in a 4th generation Ram truck. And I'm pretty sure it's a pretty similar, if not exactly the same process in like a Pro Master van or maybe even like a Town and Country or something. If you do a lot of heavy mechanic work, you probably don't even need to watch a video like this. You know, if you can tear an engine apart or something, you can very easily do a door switch. But just in case you're someone that's not comfortable just ripping into stuff, without having some kind of, teaching or something, I'll show you how to do it. It's not hard. It takes like 2 minutes to do, and it's really simple. If you've never seen my truck, this is what I refer to as the Hemi long bed. There's some videos of it on the channel. It's a 2012 Ram 1500 Tradesman 4x4 all-wheel drive single cab 8-foot bed. Basically, it's a strange build of truck. I don't know that this color was supposed to be available. Obviously, I mean, it exists, the truck exists, but yeah, there's not too many of these Tradesmans out here in this color, basically. But yeah, it's kind of up-spec'd. It has carpeting and cloth seats and stuff, as opposed to most of these would have vinyl seats and the rubber floors. But it's an odd spec. I'm the third owner, but I love this truck most of the time, as long as it cooperates. Sometimes it doesn't, like today, or well, basically over the last few days. This is your master window switch right here. Obviously you don't have any controls for the back doors and windows because there aren't any, but yeah, I did not rip the button out. That's not what broke it, but technically that's how I fixed it in the pinch. As you can see, I don't know if you could hear it, but there's detents on these buttons. Push down to put the window down, pull up to put the window up. In the middle of a rainstorm, I put the window down, and then yeah, it wouldn't go back up. And I was thinking about it for a minute. I'm like, I don't feel the detent, so something must have snapped off. But basically, if I can get my keys here and power the dirty old Ram truck on, as you can see, pretend the window was down. I got the good old pry bar screwdriver special here. And yeah, you could manually operate this potentiometer here. See, window goes up, window goes down. And that's what I did to fix it in the pinch, because yeah, it was raining and everything was getting wet. I put the window down to talk to somebody, and yeah, so it's really not that hard to go ahead and fix this. I'll show you now. Like I said, if you do a lot of mechanic work every day, you could change this in 2 minutes. But just in case you don't know what to do, you don't want to tear it apart without looking at it, I'll show you how you switch one of these out. It's super simple. Anybody can do it. So as you see here, got my new part in the box. I'll show it to you. Only the finest Scamazon Primo 2nd day shipping. Comes in your bubble wrapper. And yeah, these are super simple. Obviously, you got dead pins here for where your windows would be for the rear of the truck. So it's 2 connectors if you have, a double cab, quad cab, whatever. But this one only has 1 connector here because it's only powering your windows and your mirrors. So it's the easiest thing to remove. Probably get a plastic trim tool, especially if you got leather doors or something. Plastic trim tool, something a little bit safer. I'm just going to take my screwdriver, pop it under there. You literally pry up on it and it comes out. Go ahead, disconnect your connector in there. Keep this, throw this away, do whatever you want with it, and go ahead. Swap your new one in there. And then to test to see if it works, take your key, turn it on, and it controls everything. Lock and unlock. Yeah, so mirrors work. Super simple, doesn't really take any kind of mechanical knowledge. You went to a dealer, they'd probably charge you $200-300 or something for that part and an hour's labor. $23 on Amazon, 10 minutes with a screwdriver, if that, and you're done. So, save yourself some money, go on Scamazon Primo. Guys, like I said, I hope you learned something in today's video. $20-some part, 2 or 3 minutes of your time, and a flat blade screwdriver or plastic trim tool to get underneath the edge of that switch, pry it up, and then you're back on your way. And it's the same process for doing a quad cab driver switch, quad cab, double cab. The only difference is you have an extra connector, and then if you have rear doors or a passenger door, it's the same. Like I said, just pry up on there, pull it out, replace it. You don't need to pull the door panel off. There's no screws, no other connectors, no clips, nothing holding that in. Just pry it up, replace it, and be done with it. Cheap part, easy job. You could save yourself some money. Win-win right there. But if you enjoy videos like this, go on and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be back to making regular content here very, very soon. And until then, there's about 3 years worth of videos here on Falappi's Garage. Cars, small engines, tools, exploration, all kinds of cool stuff waiting for you. So go on over and subscribe. But until the next video, guys, go on and take care. Hell yeah.